Many people are frying yuba, either blanched or oiled. No wonder it doesn't taste
Let me
good.
share with you today
the correct way to fry poached eggs with yuba. No need to blanch or oil. The bean aroma is strong after serving and no hard fishy. Follow my video next. Let's see how it is done together. First of all, when we choose yuba, to choose this slightly wider one, and the color should be slightly yellowish. This yuba is handmade yuba. It will taste better. We first break it down a little bit by hand. Put it in a larger bowl. Next, pour warm water at about 40 degrees into it. Be sure to use warm water when soaking yuba. Don't use cold water either, not to mention boiling water. If you use boiling water, it's soaked outside, and it's still hard inside. Then we press it down with a plate. Let all the yuba be submerged in water. Next, prepare a few cloves of garlic. Slice it up. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare another small piece of ginger. Slice it too. Cut it and put it in a bowl for later use. Friends who like spicy food can prepare a few minute peppers. In circles. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare a small handful of chive flowers. Cut it into long segments. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. After the yuba is soaked, let's take the plate away and take a look. The current yuba has also been soaked soft. There is no hard heart in it. We will control the moisture of yuba and place on a larger plate. Next, we use scissors to cut the yuba smaller. Just cut it into the size you like. This is convenient for yuba to taste. Cut it all and put it on a plate for later use. Next, add a little cooking oil to the pot. After the oil heats up, put 2 serious hen eggs in it. After the eggs are in the pot, don't worry about flipping. Fry the eggs until they are set. After frying one side, flip it over and fry the other side. Fry both sides until golden brown. After frying on both sides, add ginger and garlic. The chopped peppers are also poured down. Then stir-fry evenly. Stir-fry the ginger, garlic, and chili to taste. Dear friends, you can see the video here. If you think my video, if it helps you, please extend your rich hand and give me a like. Your every message and forwarding is what keeps me going. Thank you very much for your support and encouragement. After all the incense, pour more boiling water into it. It's better to use boiling water here. The soup boiled in boiling water will be whiter. Then add the right amount of salt, a little chicken essence to freshen up. Add a spoonful of light soy sauce. Sprinkle some pepper to remove the fishy smell and increase the flavor. Then pour the soaked yuba into the pot. We fry this yuba, no need to blanch it. No need to oil. So just boil it. The boiled yuba will be more tender. And nutrients will not be lost. Bean flavor very strong. Let's cook this dish a little longer. Let the fragrance inside be fully released. It also allows the yuba to absorb the aroma of poached eggs. Finally, add the chopped chive seedlings. Continue to stir-fry a few times. Just fry the chive seedlings until they die. Such a delicious dish. Fried yuba with poached eggs. It's done. Next, we put it on the plate. The soup inside is very delicious for bibimbap. Buy Uber at home in the future. You do as I do. But oil does not blanch. There is no hardcore in it either. Fragrant and smooth. It's good to drink and eat. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. You won't be disappointed. Okay, today's video is shared here. If you like my video, remember to like
Leave a message
and forward it. See you in the next video. Thank you for your support.